Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is a glueless application. Whatever your thing is, sis. Why y'all didn't tell me? I would only be in. I juiced it up. I ain't say nothing to you, don't say nothing to me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This hair has been brought to you by OMGQueen. OMGQueen. How fitting is it that I would try a wig from OMGQueen? It makes perfect sense. I know. This wig is their bad boss vibe short pixie curly lace front wig. Let me just let y'all see this. Now, I'm gonna give you the deets. This is 8 inches, virgin Brazilian hair, 150% density. It's a natural color. The lace is 13 by 4. The lace is from ear to ear, and then you have 4 inches of parting space going back. Okay, this could be a middle part wig, this could be a right part wig. It kind of came with a left part, so I wanted to leave it as close to as is as possible. The part was beautiful. It was already bleached beautifully. I would say that this is pre-plucked. On a scale from 1 to 10, it's probably like a 6. If you want to go in and pluck more, you definitely can do that. I did not do that. I wanted you guys to see it just what it is. Okay, so let me tell you what I did. I juiced it up. Y'all know I juiced it up. If you are new to my channel, it's something that I love to do with curly hair. I have a water bottle. It is not here right now, of course. Sometimes it's water and leave-in. Sometimes it's water, leave-in, and olive oil. In this particular bottle, it was just the water and the leave-in. The leave-in is African Pride leave-in. I think it's like milk and coconut or something like that. I shake my bottle up, give it a good spray, and then I go in with the African Pride curl mousse, and I go in and I just let her have it, give her a nice mousse bath, you know, and then I let it air dry, and that's it. That's literally it. Now, y'all know I'm feeling it because it's a bob straight out. Y'all know that's what I do. That's my style. That's my stizzy. Y'all think I need to blend my highlight a little bit. Why y'all didn't tell me? The hair is gorgeous. The curls are gorgeous. So it's really just up to you what, you know, whatever your thing is. Whatever your thing is, sis. I don't judge when people buy Jordans, spend all that money, and the shoe in real life costs $12.72. Hey, I don't judge that. So don't come for my wig that costs a little bit. I ain't say nothing to you. Don't say nothing to me. This does come with a removable elastic band. They also sent me a silicone headband wig grip. Let me tell you something. This is my first time using a wig grip of any kind. When I tell you this wig is so secure, like this wig on here, sis, this wig ain't going nowhere. You could shout in church. You don't even need, I'm telling you, you don't need to worry about your wig. When the spirit get in there real high, you gotta make sure your wig is intact, sis, because
keep your wig intact.
Keep your wig intact when you are in morning worship. And especially if you mess around and go to revival. Come on now. Come on. This is a whole new world for me with this wig grip, honey. Oh my God. I set the wig grip on slightly behind my hairline. The knots are bleached. So you can kind of see the wig grip up underneath that part. So I just went over the wig grip with my foundation, basically. When I put the wig back on, it became more seamless. And then if you want to, you can still take some concealer and just go right along this part. And now there is no trace of the wig grip underneath the wig. So as you can see, I can lift this. So this is a glueless application. There is no grip like where your ear tabs are. The wig grip is behind your hairline. So your ear tabs will flap up. You see that? Okay. So what I did is I took some mousse and just kind of did a couple little swoop-a-doops. And then I tied it down for like 5 minutes. And this baby is on here. It is so on here. It is on, honey. Butter on, popcorn on. Because I can't eat no plain popcorn, y'all. I'm about to take this bad boy off and then put it on right in front of your face. This is definitely glueless, ladies and gents. Bam. You see that? Hold on, let me touch up my forehead real quick while I'm... Honey, since I did that, let me just touch up this forehead. I'm gonna plop this bad boy back on. I'm just gonna slide this comb underneath the back of the wig grip. Glueless, meaning no glue, no gel, no freeze spray, just glory. But I didn't do any more extra plucking. This is just what you gonna get. This what you gonna get. Y'all let me know what you think about this wig. I love me a short wig. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. Is this something that you would rock? Is it? Let me know in the comments. Also stay tuned because I got a big thank you for you guys. I'm just going to be having mad giveaways. So just stay tuned for the things that you need to do to enter. I have a random picker that draws the winners. But if you have ever been my subscriber of the day, you are automatically entered into the festivities because that's how I get down. OMG Queen. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's giving me Whitney Houston vibes. Yes. If I should stay, I would only be in. Y'all ain't ready for Y'all be safe, be sweet, wear your mask, and until next time, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye.